In this video, I'm going to present our new Toolbox V09, which you need for replacing timing belts on belt-in-oil engines. Hi guys, today I've brought 3 engines to show you. The special thing about these engines is that their timing belt runs in oil, hence the name belt-in-oil. And I've brought something else to show you, our Toolbox V09 that enables you to set the timing on these engines correctly in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications. Let's take a look at what you'll find inside. Everything fits snugly in a made-to-measure foam insert. There is no rattling here and nothing can fly around. So what exactly do we have here? Here we have tools we need for the Ford EcoBoost engine. First we have these 2 clamps for locking the camshafts. This pair of locking tools are required for the 2 camshaft adjusters. Here we have a tool to lock the flywheel. Then we have a special bolt for locking the crankshaft. There is a small bolt on the engine block that needs to be unscrewed first. You screw in this bolt, turn the crankshaft until it pushes against the bolt, and then this small pin should fit into the crankshaft belt pulley at the front. Once the belt is fitted, we've got these tools that are used to refit the oil seal behind the crankshaft belt pulley. We put everything together, insert the bolt into the crankshaft opening and tighten. This presses the seal inwards evenly, ensuring the seal is seated properly. And here we have 2 tools for the 2-liter Ford EcoBlue engine. Firstly, there is the pulley holding tool. The teeth have to match the indents on the engine and it only fits in one position. And then we have the tool for locking the camshafts at the top, one for the left-hand shaft and one for the right. And finally, here we have a tool for locking the flywheel on PSA and Opel 1.2-liter PureTech engines, as well as a locking clamp for their camshafts. Our Toolbox V09 is available from your usual retailer, okay? See you next time in the workshop.